Hello, I am Gaming Pro Ultra. Today I am going to challenge you a Domino's Tiles challenge. In this video I will do some many dominoes as you can. So you do it in your home or any places you do. So first I will do in first challenge. So see it. So first you have to put in your hands and put the dominoes and see the video and see. See, these dominoes will be going like this only. It will be going fast and good. So it is going curved and straight lines. I made it so difficult and so hard. So next challenge will be hard. So this first challenge will be successful, I think. I think it's going really well, but it is going really fast and it's going really curved and dominoes. So number second challenge will be started soon. So second challenge is going to start. Now second challenge will be starting. Second challenge will be a tower and a tower. Tower by tower with 25 dominoes on it. So see it and do like that and I will show you now. So wait for it. So I will be doing it now like tower of dominoes. I would doing it like 5 like 5 times we are doing in 25 dominoes. So we did it. So first take your hands and put it on the side and it will be good. So the second one going to be orange to pink. So it falls. Fourth one will be going to fall. And third one also. And the next one will be going to fall. The third one will be going to fall. So the third one will going to be fell. So after it fell, second one will be coming. So we put it the boat 3. So all this finished. So thanks for watching this video. Like for more and subscribe to my channel Gaming Pro Ultra. Thank you. Bye.